I'm going to set you up for adjustment here. Relax right in here. Very good. Good movement. Feel that movement in there? David?
Oh, yeah.
Good. He's in the zone. I'm going to set him up right here. Let's have you actually scoot just a little bit forward right there. A little bit more, a little bit more. Your bottom. There you go. And then lean, relax right in here for me. Okay. Relax right here. Very good.
Oh, man. That feels
Excellent
so
movement.
good.
Okay. Yo, vote for us. I'm going to use a little bit of soft tissue work here. How'd that neck adjustment feel, David?
I feel really good.
Really good?
Oh, yeah.
Excellent. Hey, check out his, he's got a good social media following, won a few local competitions here. He's a weightlifter, so he's sponsored by, who are you sponsored by now?
VPX.
VPX,
Yeah.
okay, so check out his Instagram page. We'll go ahead and add some links to his page so you can check him out. Like I said, we like to thank our patients who come in and give us the opportunity to serve them. Get out there and like his stuff.
Thank you.
Follow him, absolutely. Okay, we're gonna get some movement right in here, okay? Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Relax right in here. Very good. Relax here. Very good. Okay. Right here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. There we go. There we go. Breathe in. All the way out. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. I'm going to try to get a little bit more movement on this side here. Relax right here. There we go. Relax there. One more. All right, very good. Relaxation up in here.
Yes, sir.
All right, now I want you to relax your head back here for me. We're going to palpate right in here. Very good. Okay, we're going to get some chiropractic manipulation there. Very good. Like I said, we've had some restriction right in this region. He's also a weightlifter, so we do have some hypertonic muscles here. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Good. All right. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. We're going to have a transition segment adjustment right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Leg bent, bottom leg straight. Give me this hand right over here. Right in there. Switch right here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. We're going to adjust right into the cervical region. We've already, upon palpation, discovered that she kind of has some pain here in the upper cervical region. So we're going to have you relax for me. As I set up for adjustment, relax here for me. Very good. We also had some pain into this trap here. Okay, I'm going to start right in here first. We're about the T4 region. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Okay. I want you to relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Very good. Palpated and found some pelvic and lumbar restrictions here in the low back, so we're going to go ahead and perform a side posture adjustment here. Breathe in for me, and all the way out. Very good. Arm right here, right there. All right, we're also going to move the pelvis here from posterior to anterior. Take a deep breath for me, and all the way out. Very good. Let's go scoot, scoot. There you go. Then just lean just your upper body back right here. Perfect. Okay. And then I'm going to move some hair around here so I can get to some areas that we're finding. Now we had palpated. We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good. Okay. So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here. Okay. I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Have some hypertonicity right in these muscles here. Even upon just light palpation, we were finding trigger points that were stimulating some pain, some muscle response here. So you can see her muscle jumping as we get to that trigger point right here. Same thing on this side. So you can notice that muscle jump, that response that she's having right here. So we know a lot of her issues right here. These muscles have now become weak. We want to stabilize them with some exercise. So you can see as we even bring the scapula back, how it rolls her shoulders back this way, right? So that stability type exercise is going to help with that, okay? We're going to adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good, okay? We did note a lot of extension restriction in the upper thoracic region, so that's why we had lots of movement in here. We're gonna adjust here in the cervicothoracic region. Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay. Relax right here for me. Okay. Very good. Okay, bilateral. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Bottom leg straight. Very good. Give me this arm right over here. Okay. Right in here. Go right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you rotate facing the opposite way. Patients, bodies, moving bodies around is a pretty strenuous work. So she'll then experience the upper back pain more prevalent at that time. Sometimes headaches that are caused by that. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Okay. We're going to manipulate here through the calcaneus first. Very good. All right. Felt pretty good there? Good. Okay. Same thing here. Very good. Very good. Okay. So we're just going to kind of get some general movement through her elbow joints here. Very good. Same thing right over here. Relax right here for me. Good. Lean back just a tad for me. Good. Let me see the other hand for me. Lean back just a tad. There we go. Good movement in here. Very good. Vamos a empezar aquí arriba, ¿ok? So vamos a hacer palpación aquí arriba, en el cuello. Relaja hacia aquí. Very good, muy bien. Relaja el cuello así. Muy bien. Lo práctico que hemos hecho y como escuchó hay bastante movimiento ahí en el cuello. Ahora estamos sintiendo que los músculos aquí están bien tensos. So tenemos nudos aquí en la espalda, en los músculos. Y vamos a hacer unos... vamos a ajustar aquí arriba. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Relájese aquí, relaje el cuerpo. Muy bien. Aquí arriba también. Ok, aquí relájese. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente y relaje aquí el cuerpo. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente y relaje el cuerpo. Muy bien. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente y relaje el cuerpo. Muy bien, ok. Vamos a tratar aquí arriba un poquito más, ok. So aquí lo mismo, trate de relajar los brazos hacia abajo. Si tiene que bajarlos, así también. Ok, perfecto. Estamos trabajando los músculos para que no haya tanta tensión y a ver si podemos tener más movimiento aquí arriba. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Very good. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Perfecto. Cadera. Ahí, ok. Este brazo para acá. Ahí. Deme este brazo para acá. Aquí. Ok. Ahí. Respire. Relaje el cuerpo. Relájese aquí. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Muy bien. Doblado. El de abajo recto. Very good. Sí. Okay. Relaje el cuerpo, relaje la cadera, respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Very good.